Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2015 Audi Q7 and we're going to go over the process to be able to replace this rear light bulb, which is very similar to the one on the back seat, or in the middle row of the back seats, to be able to replace. So first, all you really got to do is you got to pop this little cover down and it will just hang down by the wire there. And then we twist this light bulb out, be able to replace it, pull that bulb out. That is a W5W is what you would get to be able to replace this bulb or something equivalent. And you pull this bulb out of the housing here and then be able to press it back in. And then just being able to line this up and twist that in, and then being able to line this up and just press it up so that it locks into your roof of your vehicle there. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.